Hello guys, welcome back to Grade Time 1, Unit 6, and now we will talk about grammar. We are now on page 59 of your student's book, so if you have it, it's time to get it, okay? And if you don't, the activities will be right here on the screen for you. Now, on the last grammar video, we saw how to use affirmative and negative sentences with have, and we will take a look at the questions now. Okay, so for that, let's take a look at this screen that I have right here. Aren't they cute? So as you can see, these are animals and they are all friends. We're talking about friends today, right? So we have different friends here. These are unusual friendships. Let's remember the names of these animals. Up above, we have a hippo and a turtle, right? Then over there, we have a baby goat and a chihuahua, a dog. And right here, we have a bunny and a baby duck. They're very cute, don't you think? And they are best friends. If we could ask a question for them, like this. Let's start with the first picture. Hippo, do you have a best friend? Then he would say, yes, I do. My best friend is the turtle. Yeah? And then, if you ask the turtle, do you have a best friend? Well, then she would answer, yes, it's the hippo, okay? But let's imagine that we ask the same question for the hippo, but we want to talk about the goat and the dog, okay? So we ask the hippo, does the goat have a best friend? Well, then the hippo would answer, yes, he does. It's the dog. Okay? And what if we ask the turtle about the bunny and the duck? Let's imagine that this bunny is a girl. Okay? So, we ask the turtle, does she have a best friend? And then the turtle answers, yes, she has. It's the chick. Okay? So that's how we use the questions. Do you have a best friend? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Does he or does she, does it have a best friend? No, he doesn't. Yes, he does. No, she doesn't. Yes, she does. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. But in this case, they all have their best friends. All right, so now let's continue on the book. We're now on page 59. And this is exercise 1 from grammar, okay? What you have to do here is read and match. Okay, so now it's time to pause the video and try to do it all by yourself. And then we go back in a minute to correct it, all right? Okay, so if someone asks you, do you have a hobby? What is the answer for that? Yes, I do. Okay. Does your sister have a smartphone? Well, your sister is a girl, right? So, yes, she does. Do your teachers have friendship bands? Let's see. No, they don't. Okay, that's it. Now let's move on to exercise 2. Okay, guys, so in exercise 2, we have some questions and you should answer with your experience. Okay, so let's see number 1 as an example. Do you have a TV in your bedroom? If you do, well, then you answer, yes, I do. But if you don't, then you answer, no, I don't. Okay, so according to what you have and what you don't have, you answer the questions over there. Okay, there's no right or wrong. All right? All right, everyone. Now we will talk about count and non-count nouns. Let's remember that nouns are the names of the objects, the people, of the things we have. Okay? In English, there is a different rule from Portuguese. We call nouns count and non-count. Count nouns are the ones we can count the units. Okay, I have some examples here for you. For example, here I have a pen. Okay, you can count the pen, right? So this is a count noun. All right, I also have here a bag. It's one bag, we can count it, so it's a count noun, right? I also have an avocado, okay? You can count it. We have one avocado, so it's a count noun. And I have here some bananas. Can we count the bananas? Yes, we can, right? Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bananas. We can count the bananas. They are count nouns, but they are in plural because I have more than one bananas. So in this case, I can say some bananas. Okay? Right. So everything that you can count the units, we call them count nouns. All right? Let's understand what are the non-count nouns. For example, here I have a glass of water. Okay? You can count the glass. Okay, but can you count the water that is inside here? No, you can't. So you can't tell how much water we have here. Okay? So we say that we have some water in the glass. All right? And what about what I have inside this box? Can you see? It's rice, right? There are a lot of grains of rice here, and it's impossible to count them. If you count one by one, you'll at least lose a lot of time, so we don't do that. So in this case, we say that rice is a non-count noun. Okay? So we can say that there is some rice inside the jar. Okay? All right, so now it's time to go to exercise 4 on page 59 on the book. And here we have to decide which nouns are count, singular, count, plural, and non-count. Okay, so take a look at the examples that we have here, the options that we have. Try to match them to the correct column. And then in a second, I'll go back to correct with you, okay? Very well, so let's correct it. We can count some pens, and this is plural, okay? We can count a collar, and it's singular. We can count a hobby, and it's also singular because you have one hobby or two hobbies. Yeah, so you can ride a bike as a hobby, or you can play soccer as a hobby, and then you have 2 hobbies, okay? So can you count some chairs? Yes, you can. Can you count some apples? Yes, you can. But can you count some fun? No, you can't. You say that you have fun. Yes, you have lots of fun, but you cannot count the units of fun, right? Can you count some work? No, you can't. How about some money? Can you count? Well, this is the difference from Portuguese to English because we use the expression some money as a non-count noun. All right? So let's check. Here it is. So we can count the bills of money, okay? We can count the coins, but we say the expression some money, all right? So if you ask someone, I want to buy a video game, can I borrow some money? Okay, you will always use it in the uncount form. All right? So that's it for this video. See you later. Bye-bye.